Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, children. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am. Fine.
Fine, thank you. Okay, clearly, I have explained about the blog, yes? And now today you have to complete this exercise. You tell me where is Trosmo situated? Where is Trosmo situated? Come on, tell me.
In Norway.
The north of Norway. Right
Page
there.
number 3.
Write the answer now.
Ioni.
I'm not going to give the answer. You should read the story and you have to write it by your own.
Okay, ma'am.
Underline the sentence in the textbook. The north,
Ma'am, what is it?
the north of Norway.
Okay, ma'am. I underline.
Yes. And write it there. Next question. Ashish Reddy, read the next question, second question, and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, what are you doing?
Why you can't see me?
Ma'am, I came now only.
Very good.
No, ma'am, I came, but I went to wash my napkin. You are doing true or false. That means something.
Page number 4, question and answers. We are writing course book, page number 4. This is a comprehension.
At what time
Children,
did Alak
passage. It is like a passage writing. See, the one passage is given for you, like one story. Passage means here we have a story. You have to read the story and then answer the questions. It is like the passage, unknown passage, which you will get in the exam, right?
Yes, ma'am. At what time did Alak
Remaining
go
students
to
on your videos, I want to see what you're doing. Like
Ma'am,
Ashish, Vinmay,
Ma'am, a question finished.
Kritik Raz, come on, everyone.
Ma'am,
Yes.
a
A question. Read the A question, Pranav, and tell me the answer.
Where is Tromso situated?
Tromso situated. Where it is situated? See the story, read the story and tell me now. Open page number 36 of Global English.
Okay, ma'am. In 2 minutes.
Ma'am, can I tell second answer?
One second.
North.
Yes. The north of Norway. Second question. Where is that boy? I asked him to read. He left the class.
At which time did Alex go to bed?
Last year, read the second question.
Ma'am,
Read the second question and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Nirveer, just wait for your turn. Okay. So Vinmay said first. Let us give to Vinmay. Vinmay, tell me. Read the second answer. At what time did Alec go to bed?
3 o'clock a.m.
3 o'clock. You should not say. You just say 3 a.m.
3 a.m.
Okay. Here we read the next.
What were Alak dad's and granddad doing on Saturday?
What were Alex's dad and granddad doing on Saturday? Come on, tell me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Hiking.
Okay, answer will give chance to Samad. Netra will give the answer. Netra.
Alex, father. Ma'am.
Give the answer for the third question. Find out the answer from the story.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Midnight hike. You are okay. Today onwards, Pranav name I'm going to change as Netra.
No.
Then I said Netra. Then why you are giving answer, huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm already ready.
So what is the answer? The answer is midnight hike. Good, Pranav. So next one, Aryan. Aryan. Indivar. Indivar. Siri Chandana, I will cut one marks for these children, those who are not responding. I'm going to deduct 1 marks. They are not switched on their cameras and they are not responding. Very good. Kritik Raj, read the fourth question. Why is the
sun called the midnight?
Why is the sun in Tromsø called the midnight sun?
Why is the sun in Tromsø called the midnight sun? Who will give this answer? Who knows this answer?
Not set in Tromsø. Because at evening the sun did not set, so it is called the midnight sun.
Very good, very good. So you can even see the sunlight, the midnight. So that is why it's called as a midnight sun. Any other answer? Still anyone want to give the same answer? Puriya,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the fourth answer. What did you write?
Ma'am, I'm writing.
Huh.
The sun in Tromsø is called the midnight sun because in summer, in summer there will be sun for 24 hours.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is third answer?
You tell me. I will not tell you. You read the question and tell me the answer. What were Alex, Dad, and Granddad doing on Saturday?
Midnight hike.
Then midnight hike.
Ma'am, your voice is striking. Now it is okay. We did not hear fourth answer.
Fourth answer, 2 answers we got. 2 different students gave different answers. Viraj, where are you? You are sleeping in the class.
Oh, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can write.
No internet here.
Okay. No problem.
Ma'am, we can write the midnight sun also.
Why you will get the midnight sun? What is the reason there? Because in Tromsø you can see the sunlight for 24 hours. You can write. Because the people living in north of Arctic Circle have sunlight for 24 hours. You see there 36 page number. First para you can see there. 7th line. People living north of the Arctic Circle have sunlight for 24 hours. So it is called the midnight sun. So the sun in Tromsø called the midnight sun. Got it? Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now it's your time to write the blog here. You have to write something about yourself. Here, Alec has written about himself that what did he do there in the Tromsø. Yes, children? Has he written what he has done there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now it's your turn to write. Take out your course book, page number 10. Course book, page number 10.
Yes, ma'am.
See there, group C, put their homework, HW and today's date, 10-11, HW and 10-11. Yes?
Ma'am, page number.
Ma'am,
10 beta. Yes, yes, Surya.
we have to write that we went to Tromsø on our birthday and what we did there.
Any side, any place you can take. Not only the Tromso, you can select your own place.
Ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am.
and see the question. I'm going to read. Okay, not I'm going to read the question. I want
Ma'am,
Syed
read.
Faizan to read the question. Syed Faizan is going to read the question for us. Come on, imagine.
Ma'am, imagine you have traveled to country on the opposite side of the world on your birthday and got the chance to
Of the
celebrate
world.
it twice. What are the things
Faizan, loud.
on your birthday and got the chance to celebrate your birthday
Twice.
twice?
What is the meaning of twice? Two times. Huh, come on.
How would you feel?
Hmm.
What are the things you would like to do?
Okay.
Share your experience in not more than 7 sentences.
7 sentences. Okay. Ashish ready? Ashish ready?
Ma'am,
Read the question. Ashish, today I'm going to deduct 5 marks from your term and assessment. This is the second time you are not responding. I will talk to your parents today.
Where was the moonbeam?
Huh? Rohan
It came
Kartikeya,
done.
read the question on your video. Dharmin Tej, page number 10. Rohan is now opening his book. Very good. Fatima. 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 Fatima never responds in the class. What is the problem with that girl? I don't know. Indivar,
Yes, ma'am.
read the question. Imagine.
Imagine you have traveled to a country on the opposite side of the world on your birthday and got the chance to celebrate your birthday twice. How would you feel? What are the things would you like to do? Share your experience with not more than 7 sentences.
Very good. So children, now you are going to imagine that you are going to celebrate your birthday twice. Okay, and you are going to travel to a country on the opposite side. Now you are living in the Telangana, yes, or India. This is sorry, country we have discussed. So we are living in India. So what is the opposite country we have? You have to select that country. Okay, choose the country which is very opposite to our India, and then imagine that you are celebrating your birthday twice. So how would you feel? How would you feel? So happy. Celebrating birthday once is a very, yes, we feel so excited. But twice, it's really very nice to celebrate, right? So how will you feel? That you have to write. And then what are the things you would like to do there?
Ma'am, one time I celebrated.
What are the things you want to do there? You have to write. Okay, write in 7 sentences. Pranav, you want to select country. Okay, which country?
Nepal.
Nepal. He want to go to the Nepal. Okay, good.